Alright guys, today we're going to be changing the oil in the 140 here and then our 135. We still need to do the 125 and the old 135, but today for now we're just going to work on these two and then we're going to throw the duals on our 135 too. So I'm going to get these babies started and running, and then we'll swing them up around the parlor there and get their oil started to get changed there. But the 140 started alright. We were a lot better than yesterday. Our 135 does. This baby started real hard in the cold. There we go. A lot better than yesterday.
Natural instinct.
Alright, man.
That's it.
Now guys, if no oil comes out of this, that's bad. Very bad. That means we got a serious problem
happening here.
Oh! I caught some.
If you get some on the GoPro, that'd be a good action shot.
That just shot out of there.
It's warm.
I guess it's warm enough.
Oh, that's not one way to warm up the old hand, huh?
Man, that just came pouring out of there.
It's blacker than the night.
Well, we haven't changed it since they sold it. That's our fault, guys. Sorry.
Oh man, that thing scares me every time.
Tart air compressor.
Oh, it's coming loose already.
Might be able to just twist it off now. We can get it out of there.
These hoses are for AC. We need that AC though.
Yeah. Oh yeah, oil.
Aye! Oh no! The bug just went in my eye and came back out. He's like, oh, I don't like it there.
Look
cold.
at there.
Yeah, this thing is really nice. I'll have to get that oil off like today, so I don't stain on it. Just gotta get it out of there in a hurry.
Uh-huh.
It's upside down.
A little better on that one.
Yeah.
All right, got our two filters for our 135 and then the one for the 140 over there. Got it drained out. We're gonna have to put the plugs in, and then I'm gonna write on the fuel filters how many hours and the date, and we'll put those back on too. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Are you got the gloves this time?
Yeah, these gloves might be going straight into the wash machine or the garbage.
It's probably gonna shoot out right all over my phone. Careful, you might have to move the bucket too.
Yeah, it's gonna. The trajectory looks about.
It's gonna launch out of there.
It's going down my arm for sure.
Or it's just gonna go straight down, and then it's not gonna even launch. Oh,
Much better
great!
that time, bruh.
That was good. Quick movement there.
Barely a drop on the glove either. Jeez.
Heck yeah.
This strap one is way better than those other style. Okay, I should be able to get it by hand there.
That one was, yeah, not too bad. Well, this one shouldn't spill all over you.
Well, no guarantees in life.
Oh, stop it. Voila. Nothing in there?
It's heavy. It's heavy as sludge. The filter was doing its job for sure. Catch.
Whoop. on there, just ready to roll. Well, after we fill oil. It don't really, well, the tractor has that many hours, but the engine doesn't.
I forgot how many it really does.
It was just over 1,000 when we bought it, so. Oh, it's so nice out. All the snow is already gone. So nice.
There's a little bit of snow right there.
Snow.
It's poor man's fertilizer.
We'll put the side shield back on in a minute. All right, fresh oil in there. Not leaking. All right, 140's turn. Sorry, GoPro. Oh, whoa. Dang, GoPro. Alright, we're gonna set this dual right here in front, and then we'll flip it up. There we go. Then we'll flip it up. And I'll hold it, and we'll put it on there. Got it hooked to the chisel plow. Nope, mowing with the duals on.